Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most powerful pre-built gaming desktops on the market right now, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or power user looking for a future-proof setup, this one checks all the right boxes. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price possible. It's often on sale and you don't want to miss out. Left magnifying glass emoji. Quick specs overview. Processor, Intel Core i9-14900KF 24-core, 3.2 GHz base, up to 6 GHz turbo. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR6. Memory, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, blazing fast multitasking. Storage, 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, ultra quick boot and load times. Operating system, Windows 11 Home. Connectivity, Wi-Fi ready, multiple USB 3.1 ports, HDMI, display port. Video game emoji, performance you can feel. Right out of the box, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme screams performance. Thanks to the i9-14900KF, multitasking in heavy-duty gaming becomes a breeze. You can stream, edit videos, play AAA titles at ultra settings, and even dabble in AI or 3D rendering, all without a hiccup. Pair that with the RTX 5070, and you're getting next-gen performance with ray tracing, DLSS 3.0, and AI-enhanced graphics. This GPU handles 1440p and even 4K gaming like a champ, making it ideal for future-proof gaming setups. Rocket emoji, speed and storage. The included 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and enough storage for your entire Steam or Epic library. Combined with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking between games, OBS, Chrome tabs, and editing software feels snappy and seamless. Speedy emoji, thermals and design. The chassis features stylish RGB lighting, tempered glass, and optimized airflow. The internal cable management is tidy, and there's enough room for future upgrades. Thermals stay under control thanks to solid airflow and a high-performance CPU cooler. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity and expandability. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a wide range of USB ports, including USB-C on some models, connectivity is top tier. Whether you're gaming online or plugging in multiple peripherals, it's ready to go. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a monster pre-built that delivers top-tier performance, beautiful aesthetics, and upgrade flexibility. It's perfect for serious gamers, streamers, and creators who want the power of a custom build without the hassle. Speech bubble emoji, if you're tired of lag, load times, and underwhelming frame rates, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Link symbol emoji, check out the link below for the latest price, availability, and exclusive deals.